lot better now in the hospital. So anyway, guys, so I didn't do too much. I didn't do anything for the weekend, actually. God is good, though. I'm telling you, all the time. Wouldn't know what to do without him, though. I'm telling you. He's so awesome. He's always there for you. So anyway. Okay. Let me shout at my lovely people this morning. I just love me some meat toast and that Welch. Nothing like the Welch's grape jelly, you know? Anyway, guys, I just want to get on here. Have a chit chat with you guys. My throat trying to get dried out. So anyway, guys, I pretty much have to. I appreciate you guys' patience. I pretty much have to do like maybe 2 or 3 times out the week now because, as I said, told you my storage I'm having in my phone because I use my phone so I can upgrade me a phone. Oh wow. So anyway, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for your support. And for my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Thank you guys so much. And those of you that are new during my channel, I hope you like it. And please feel free, you guys, to share my videos so that we can get more people to come on to the family. I appreciate you. When you sharing it, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you. Yes, guys. So anyway, so I don't have to pick my grandson up, but he will be coming here. We still have to come here. Long spring break. I mean, we was coming up. I remember even if it was even a week for spring break. It was like years ago. In this newer generation, things change. So I said, let me go ahead and chat with my lovely people. See what you guys is up to. Yeah. I overdid my toast a little bit, but that's okay. I just wanted to go on here, excuse my smacking, guys. I'm a little hungry and it has a good taste to it. Anyway, I just want to get out here and shout at you guys this morning. I always remember to hit that notification bell, so if I come up with any new videos or lives, you guys will be notified. So we right back at another Monday, huh, guys? And not only a Monday, that's right. Happy April, huh? April the 1st. Days don't wait on nobody. Fine. I feel like we was just in March, guys. I mean, Easter gonna be this month now. Oh. Excuse my mouth, guys. Did I even offer you guys some? Take a bite. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for y'all support. about like I said, it's supposed to rain, but I got some little clouds outside. Well, like the other day, I was talking about, when I was growing up. I remember growing up as a little girl. Things now sure have changed. These little children nowadays, they try to be so grown. No, not here. Don't work here with grandma. You're still a kid until you get grown. Get out on your own. And take care of your own. But I just remember I was talking about the cable. How you have to pay for cable. I was coming up. I don't remember. My mom didn't have to pay for no cable. My mom had a nice big antenna on the top of the TV. And honey, we can get all type of channels on stations. Now and then, pay for the cable and they show the same old thing over and over again. All in front, you don't have to do that. No. I'm gonna start now having to make you pay for it. And actually, TV is actually free. Pick up stations, long as you have a nice big antenna, you can pick up a lot of channels. I don't remember those days. Anyway, guys. I say to myself. I said, oh wow. I'll be 60 years old this year, so thank the Lord. Yes. 59 years, huh? I'm so thankful for it. Thank God for it. Don't worry. Be happy. Be happy in life, guys. I just want to get on here and have a chit chat with my lovely people. And see what you guys are doing. And I'm not trying to bore you guys out. I hope I'm not boring you guys out. But I have to come on here and have a chit chat with you guys. Tell you guys I appreciate you so much. Like I say, please feel free to share my videos so we can get more people to join the Lovely People family. Sorry, guys. But anyway, guys, I'm not going to be with you guys too long. I just wanted to come on, have a little chit chat with you guys, and tell you guys how much I appreciate you guys so much. And in the meantime, I'm just going to finish off this little breakfast I got here. So anyway, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. And what else? The notification button. Bing! So you can be notified anytime I come with any videos, guys. I just want to say thank you guys so much. Until then, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.